Let us discuss the answers for the questions in page number 52 and 53. Question number 1. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? A. Zinc. B. Phosphorus. C. Sulfur. D. Oxygen. Answer is A. Zinc. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is correct? A. All metals are ductile. B. All non-metals are ductile. C. Generally metals are ductile. D. Some non-metals are ductile. Answer A. Generally metals are ductile. We cannot say all metals because the liquid state, mercury is in the liquid state. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. Phosphorus is a very dash non-metal, that is reactive. B. Metals are dash conductors of heat and dash, good conductors of heat and electricity. C. Iron is dash reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. D. Metals react with acids to produce dash gas, that is hydrogen gas. Question number 4. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. Generally non-metals react with acids. The statement is false because non-metals do not react with acids. B. Sodium is very reactive metal. The statement is true. C. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. The statement is false because copper is less reactive than zinc, so it cannot displace zinc from zinc sulfate. D. Coal can be drawn into wires. Coal is a non-metal, it cannot be drawn into wires, so the statement is false. Question number 5. Already we have discussed in the previous classes. Now question number 6. Give reasons for the following. A. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. B. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. C. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. D. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Answer A. Aluminium is malleable, soft, and does not react with food items, so it is used to wrap food items. B. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, so immersion rods are made up of metallic substances. C. Copper is less reactive than zinc, so it cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. D. Sodium and potassium are very reactive. They react with air and water, so they are stored in kerosene. Question number 7. Can you store lemon pickle in an aluminium utensil? Explain. Answer. No, we cannot store the lemon pickle in aluminium utensil because aluminium is a metal and lemon is acidic. The acids react with metals to give hydrogen gas, which would spoil the food and makes it unfit to use. Question number 8. Match the substances given in column A with their uses given in column B. Column A. First one gold, second iron, third aluminium, fourth carbon, fifth one copper and sixth one mercury. Column B. A. Thermometers. B. Electric wire. C. Wrapping food. D. Jewelry. E. Machinery. F. L. Answer. Column A. Gold is used in making jewelry, so gold jewelry. Iron, machinery. Aluminium, wrapping food. Carbon, fuel. Copper, electric wire. Mercury, thermometers. Question number 10. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in test tube. A. How will she find the nature of the gas? B. Write down word equations of all the reactions taking place in this process. Answer. A. When charcoal burnt, then carbon dioxide gas is formed. This gas turns lime water into milky substance. It can also be tested by red and blue litmus. The solution of gas turns blue litmus into red, so it is acidic. B. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus lime water gives milky. Question number 11. One day, Rita went to a jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day, when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest a reason for the loss in weight? Answer. Gold is a metal which is washed in acidic solution. Some gold dissolves in acid to form oxide. This causes the loss of gold in the form of gold oxide. In this process, certain amount of gold is lost to the acidic solution.